Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in here today getting all kinds of sheets and stuff washed. I needed to do it yesterday, but I had a headache all day, so I didn't do anything. I don't think I did a single thing yesterday. So, this takes forever because the pillow top thing that goes on the mattress takes like 2 hours to dry. It's ridiculous because it's so big and fluffy. So, I got the sheets in the washer and that's drying, and I need to clean out our fridge today and the pantry and get it organized because it's a giant mess. And I still need to go grocery shopping. I still haven't gone. But you saw Adam brought home dinner, so if I don't go today, it's not a big deal. But I wanted to get it done today, and then I remembered I had to wash the sheets, and well, I guess I didn't have to, but it needed to be done. So once I get the sheets in the dryer, I'll be able to go, because then I don't have to transfer anything else. Maybe. We'll see, because it depends on how long it takes me to clean everything out. Anyway, we'll see what else we get up to today, and I guess we're having fajitas for dinner. And yeah, I don't know. We'll just see how it goes.
Are we the only ones that have a crazy amount of cheese in our fridge? Seems like it just piles up in the drawer, and before we know it, it's overflowing. We will never run out of cheese. The same goes for this candy situation. Between holidays and birthdays and people giving us candy and us getting candy, we end up with buckets full of candy that no one ever eats.
So I decided to come to Walmart and there's somebody staring at me, but whatever. Leanne, the other day over at Simply Enjoying Life, she made this chai tea drink, and I've really been wanting to get it and try it, and they don't have it at H-E-B, so I didn't have time to go grocery shopping because it's already like 4 o'clock. So I decided I'd just run to Walmart and get a couple of things I wanted. So I'm going to try to find that and see how I like it. So this is a little bit of stuff I got. Was it really worth the drive? No. So I just got some bathroom cups for the boys. They've been out for a long time because the ones at H-E-B are like $4 now. And Walmart's been out, but these are like $1.97, so I got those. I got a watermelon candle, some wax melts, and then this is the chai tea that Leanne had been drinking that I wanted to try. I actually found the same exact one. And then I just got a vanilla almond great value creamer. She said she likes the vanilla almond creamer in hers. So I'm gonna try that. Garrett's been asking for this orange pineapple Sunny D, and they only have it at Walmart, so I grabbed that. And then an onion for fajitas. And then I was telling Adam when I get home that I guess the boys have to stop eating fruit. I'm totally joking, but I tried to find the cheapest fruit to get them. I was gonna get a bag of apples, and they're all like $7. So one of the cheapest ones was nectarines, and this little bitty bag was almost $4. So dinner was good. Everybody's off in their own rooms now, and I'm gonna sit here and edit a video and then find something else to do. Maybe I'll finally read a book. I never have time to read a book. I have tons that I haven't read yet, so maybe I'll try to do that. But yeah, so since we didn't get to go grocery shopping today, Adam's off tomorrow when he gets home. So he's gonna leave the car and he's gonna take my truck. And then in the morning, we're just gonna go grocery shopping and then meet Adam, and he'll come home with us so that by the time we get home and get all the groceries put up, he's off work and I don't have to worry about doing it while he's off. So we can just have some fun or spend some time together and all that kind of stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.